Hello, Eagles! Today I'm going to teach you how to use Destiny Discover from home to locate a book in our library catalog. Alvin Virtual Learning students, or AVL students, still have the ability to check out books from school. It's pretty simple. You need to locate the book that you would like, fill out the request form, and then pick your book up through curbside delivery. Today, this video will simply show you how to locate a book by using Destiny Discover. The first thing you need to do is in whatever your browser is, your internet browser, go ahead and type in Dr. Ronald D. McNair and locate our webpage. Once you locate the webpage, there is a library tab right here. Click on the library tab, and the first thing that you will see will be our virtual classroom. This is an area that's linked to numerous resources. Today, the resource we will be discussing is called Destiny Discover, located on the very first computer screen on the circulation desk. This is an interactive link. You just click it. Once you click it, you will be taken to Destiny Discover. This is our library catalog. This will tell you the books that we have in our library, and it will tell you if they are available for checkout. The way that you could tell if a book is available is it will have this little green triangle, and it says in. If the book is unavailable, that triangle will be red, and it will say out. So let's look up a book that was really popular last year called Long Way Down by Jason Reynolds. Long Way Down was an excellent book. Tons of kids read it. And if you look right here in our catalog, it looks like we have 3 copies of Long Way Down. I chose this book on purpose because it has several different entries, and I want you to be able to tell the difference between them. This first one is an audiobook. You can see right here it says audiobook. We'll talk about audiobooks and ebooks in another video because you will access those through Sora. Now, the books that we have on Sora, which is our platform for reading audiobooks and ebooks, do show up in our catalog, so that will help you know whether or not we have them. But you today need to be focused on checking out an actual physical copy of the book. So now it looks like we have 2 copies of Long Way Down. Well, this is a little confusing, so let's look at the call number. See right here where it says call number? On the spine of every book in the library, there is a number, a call number, that tells us where the book is located. Any book that starts with FIC is a fiction book. You should remember this from elementary school. And then it has these letters REY. Do you remember what that means? You're right. Good. It's the first 3 letters of the author's last name. Long Way Down was written by Jason Reynolds. C-R-E-Y? R-E-Y. So fiction, R-E-Y, that's how the books are organized in the library in the fiction section. Now this one is a little tricky. It says P-R-O-E-L-A. Any book that is listed in our catalog with a P-R-O at the beginning of the call, this stands for professional, which means your teachers have access to this book. These books are kept in a special closet just for your English language arts teachers. That's what ELA stands for. So this means we have a set of these books or so many that the teachers will use in class to teach a novel. But right now you can see that the copy that we have in the library is here. It says in, fiction, R-E-Y. So you would then go to the request form for AVL students to request this book for checkout. Now, if for some reason it said out right here and it was red, but this one says in, I need you to know that you are unable to check these books out. These are strictly for classroom use to be checked out through your teacher. So what if you're not looking for a fiction book? What if you're looking for a nonfiction book? Perhaps you are doing research in your science class over ecosystems. You can look a book up by topic. So type in your topic, and then it'll bring you up. It says we have 25 books on the topic of ecosystems. You can tell that these are nonfiction books because they do not start with FIC, which stands for fiction. They start with a number, okay? And nonfiction books are located in the library by number. So if you find one of these that you would like, be sure to jot down the title and the call number so that you can fill out the request form so that you can pick up your book through curbside delivery as a virtual learning student. If you have any questions on how to locate books, or if we have specific books in our library that you're unable to find in our catalog, please feel free to reach out to me, Mrs. Kettler, your librarian, through email, phone, or by making a virtual appointment. I look forward to seeing you at curbside delivery or in the future as an in-person learning student.